Attorney, can you put it on a layman term? Ano ibig sabihin ng backdoor entry through Black-Scholes?
Okay. Coach, ano lang, yung ganun kasing concept, hindi ko lang sigurado kung saan din ang gagaling yon, no, officially. Kasi ang meron lang tayo what we have, kasi this matters naman are being processed, no, internally within the SEC. Okay, maybe if we request for information, no, baka they might be able to disclose additional information. If it's not confidential, but they will make that assessment. But what we have is a press release. No? They issued a press release bago lang, parang last week lang, 'di ba? Last week lang, confirming nga itong deal na to. Basically ang ano dito, ang main na applicant dito si Black-Scholes Technology Inc. Pero nabanggit din doon sa press release na meron daw global partner si Black-Scholes, and that is Binance, no. So yun lang ang information na we have. We can certainly discuss, no, the other details dito sa ano na to, sa press release na to. Pero basically ganon ang idea dito. Merong entity, it is described as a crypto asset intermediary, and they are currently applying for a regulatory sandbox. Now, this regulatory sandbox kasi is different from a CASP application, crypto asset service provider application. So just reading the press release, it looks to me that the application of Black-Scholes is limited only, no, for this regulatory sandbox, no, at hindi pa ito yung main application for CASP. But perhaps, no, they know better in terms of the actual details of this. What is clear to us is yun na nga, nabanggit ang pangalan, no, na name drop talaga si Binance sa mismong press release, no, na ito ang global CASP partner ng Black-Scholes. We can probably imagine what the arrangement is. Maybe it's some form of a liquidity provider kasi ang dinedescribe dito, ang mga Philippine-based users kailangang i-onboard kasi ni Black-Scholes. In that case, no, my assumption is the operator here is si Black-Scholes. Kung ano man yung service provider na pinoprovide nung partner niya, hindi ito klaro doon sa press release, but we can imagine that it might be some form of a liquidity arrangement, no. What is described also technically as nested service, no, nested service. Ibig sabihin, sila ang magpo-provide ng liquidity para si Black-Scholes, no, doon sa kanyang platform, if it is a trading platform, no, will have enough liquidity, no, para efficient yung pricing ng mga crypto assets that are being traded there.